All right, sixth graders. Today we have another pixel art to review solving these inequalities. Now remember, it's really important that you write them down and show how you are undoing what you're doing to both sides. So you would write down m minus 6 is greater than 2, right? Then you need to write down and show I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Then you draw your line, and then you have m is greater than, what was 2 plus 6? 8. So here you're going to put in m is greater than, is greater than 8. No spaces. And leading with the variable. So in this case, the variable was m. Then you would write down 5g is less than 25 on your notes, right? And then you're going to divide, show with your fraction bar. You're right under the 5g, you're going to write that line with a 5 under it. Then right under the 25, you're going to write that line with a 5 under it to show that you are dividing, right? So then you end up with just a G on the left, and you have the less than sign. It's right above the comma. You do have to use your shift. And then 25 divided by 5, which was 5. And when you hit enter, you'll start to see some things, okay? Don't get too freaked out with decimals. Remember, you're just undoing them. You're showing your work. You're showing all of your work, because down here, let me move this over here. Down here, there's a tab for you to show your work. So you can insert an image right here if you want. Insert image. You can just put it in the cell, over the cells is what I usually do, so that it's nice and big. Okay, you can put it here in the tab. If it's easier for you for when you're turning it in to add a new doc or a new slide and throw it there, fine. As long as you are showing your work for credit. I want to see all those steps. It will definitely help you in the end. I know it's annoying that I make you show your work, but it's just to help you follow what you're doing. So remember, you're going to write down the problem. Then you're going to show what you're doing to the left and the right. This should be the same thing, right? So you're going to subtract 3 and 5/10, subtract 3 and 5/10. Draw your bar. Then you would have D less than, 9 and 5/10 minus 3 and 5/10 is 6. So you would have D is less than 6 here. And ready to move on, right? Okay, have a fantastic day. Hopefully that's a fun review for you.